Hello students. Today we will learn how to apply various queries on a SQL table. So to start with, we will be doing this in uh, SQL Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So here I have already opened it here, and now this is my table. And in this table, what we are having roll number, name, class, section, subject. These all are the fields of the SQL table. City, state, phone, address, attendance, marks, class test. Means this is a data about students, and there are 20 records, and in this one we are supposed to apply various queries, and those queries, how to apply all those queries, that we will learn in this. So now let us move to look the queries which we are supposed to apply. So here the first query is on that table. Okay, it is the query is will be these questions are based on that table. So we need to apply all these queries one by one. So first of all is display all students who scored more than 90 marks. Now let us go to that table. Question is, this is the first question, please keep in mind. Display all students who scored more than 90 marks. So here, go here, and here this is the table field, and in this one we are to extract all those record which are having marks greater than 90. So apply this query here. This is the the query which we are raising for whole table, to display all the records of the table. But here now I'll apply the second one. The query display select star from stud table name. Star means all the records. Keep in mind, okay? Select all the records from stud to table where we will need to apply condition here, where marks greater than greater than 90, no equal to, please, here there in the question it is given marks should be greater than 90. So here it is given marks should be greater than 90. So apply this condition and raise this query, and now execute it. You can press F5 as well. So I'll be pressing this execute. So click on this and see what you are going to get. So here all the students whose marks is above than 90, those are being displayed. So this was the first question's answer. This is the query for first question. Now let us move to second one. Now list the students. Second one is list the students who appeared in test 1 and have attendance greater than 85. List the students who appeared in test 1 means class test, you have to look out that field, and have attendance greater than 85. So attendance field, two fields are to be seen in this one. So let us go back. So here again raise the original query, execute the original query, and it is the original one. So here class test is this field, and then attendance is here. So attendance more than 85, class test is for test 1. So we have to display all the students. Select star means all the student from stud to where class test equal to test 1 and attendance greater than 85. Let us check out it is equal to or greater than. So once you can see again, and have attendance greater than. So here we will be giving attendance greater than, and test you can put it in single quotes. And now you can execute this. See, keep in mind SQL is not case sensitive language. So here class test, whether you write in small letter or capital letter, it will not matter at all. Okay, that will not make any difference. So again, now you can execute this query. So click on execute button and you will get the response for this. So class test equal to test1 and attendance greater than 85. Execute this. So no students who appeared in class test1 and whose attendance is greater than 85. Okay, now let us check it out. Is it really so? See all the student and then here check out here class test 1 and whose attendance is more than 85, but attendance is already more than 5. So what is wrong? Oh, test 1. So please, as it has been written, you will have to write it in exact way. So here it is little difference is in writing, that is it is writing class and is there is a space. So now execute it again and see the result. The output was not due to, because the constant value test1 was not written as that has been given in the class test. So now re-execute this and see what you are going to get. Yes, there are so many students, I mean in the class test, whose attendance is more than 85. So this was my second question. Now let us move to third one. Find the average marks of student in class 10. Average marks of students in class 10. So it's here you will have to give average, and here you have to give class is one thing is two thing, average of marks and class is equal to 10. So again go back and apply your condition please. You have to see two things. Select and you have to take average marks. So class and average here you will take average avg and avg of what avg of marks, average of marks, and this you are the data is from stud2, and then you are then you will have to give for which class, where class equal to 10th. Just directly write it. I think it's integer, so you can give this command. So what does this mean? I am finding average of marks from stud2 for class 10th, class equal to 10. So just execute it and see the output. So 81 is the average marks for class 10th. It is average marks are 81. Now let us move to next question please. I think it is clear. Now we will move to fourth question. Count the number of students in each subject. So here you have to count the number of students subject wise. So subject wise you have to count students subject wise now. So let us go there. You have again, I'll raise the original query, all the records, and now what I am supposed subject wise total number of students. So mathematics, science, English, only 3 subjects we have here. So now how many students are in maths, how many students are in science, how many students are in English, that we have to take out. So subject wise means you have to group by, you have to apply group by here. So select subject, you need to show subject and you have to take account number of students star from table is stud2, and here what you have to apply, you have to apply group by command for group by subjects, group by subject, and you can put it in order as well, order by subject also, so that it will be in order. Now I hope it is clear. Select subject, and what means it will be displaying subject name, and count, it will be showing total number of counts from stud2, and group by subject, so it will be grouping subject wise. So I think it is clear. Let us run it, please. Here you can see in English there are 7 students, in mathematics there are 6 students, in science there are 7 students. So total records were 20. So is this correct? I think 7 plus 7, 14 plus 6 is 20. So you can validate your data as well, so that whether you are correctly doing it or not, your record is correctly coming up or not. So here 20 records. So I think it is from the subject point of view as well as total number of point of views. Okay. Now let us move to next, please. Now list names and marks of students from Delhi. So now here Delhi is what? It is a city name. And what you are supposed to find out, list names and marks. Two things are to be displayed. First field is name and the other one is marks. And from condition is Delhi. So let us go back. Now here again we will write this table so that we will be able to see all the records. Here we have the record. Here check out for the fields. So city is Delhi. Yes, Delhi is written like this. City is Delhi. This is one. And name and the another one is uh, name and marks. Name is here, marks is here, and city is Delhi. So let us raise the query, please. I'll write here. Select name, comma, marks from table name is stud2, and where you will have to apply where condition, where city equal to Delhi. Keep in mind, please, Delhi must be written as it has been written in the database file. So here raise this command, select it and raise this command. So just execute it, you will get the answer. So here there are only 2 students from Delhi city. One is Karan Kapoor and another one is Rohit Sharma. So now we need to validate it. Really there are 2 students. Why I am saying? Because at least you will be very sure that the condition which you are applying are correct or not. So see how many city is 1, Delhi is here, Delhi is 2, and only 2 records are there. And you can see the name is Rohit Sharma. One is Rohit Sharma and the another one is and Karan Kapoor. So I think it is correct again. So now let us go back to query number 6. Show students who have attendance less than 85 and marks greater than 80. So now we have 2 fields here. One, we have to display name of students where attendance condition is less than 55 and marks greater than 80. So go there and again raise your query. Select either name or star, whatever you want. I'll display all the records. Select star again from stud2, where you have to give the condition what marks, sorry, attendance less than 85 and marks greater than 80. So this condition is to be applied. So here you can see marks less than attendance less than 85. One is 70. Sorry, attendance. Where is attendance? Less than 85. So I think no one is less than 85. So no record is going to be displayed, please, because no one is less than 85. So this is not going to show you any record. Execute and no record will be displayed because attendance is less than 85 is not there. So this condition is this condition is false. So no record will be displayed. Now let us move to next one. Had there been here, because it is written and both the condition must be true, so that's why the record is not being shown there. Then now next comes out find the highest marks scored in each subject. So find the highest marks scored in each subject. So again you will have to highest marks and scored in each subject. So subject wise you have to again find out highest marks. So let us go there. 2 fields are there. again I'll show all the record first, because seeing all the record before screen is much easier to look out or identify. So now again we have got these records. So now I'll apply my condition. My condition is select, small letter, select, select, what was the condition? I forgot. Sorry. Find the highest marks subject wise. So go here, subject wise. So subject is, we need subject and highest marks. So what you will write? Highest, for highest marks, max. Max marks, and from stud to where. Now you need to group by subject and order by subject. Highest marks in each subject. So it will be showing me highest marks in each subject, and from start to which marks, I mean the subjects are grouped, and order by subject. So I think this is correct. So let us give this command and run it. Please make a habit of terminating. This will be good if you will work on Oracle or other other with other databases. Although Microsoft SQL Server will accept even without semicolon, but there can be problem with the Oracle. So make a habit like that. So now execute this query. Here you have got English, highest marks are 94, mathematics 95, and science is 90. So let us try out whether in English there are really highest 94. Let us cross validate it. So let us execute this again. So 94 in English is highest. Check out please. English. So here it is English. We have marks 77. English 78. English 84. English 79. English 94. So it is correct. 94 is the highest. So that has displayed there. So now let us move to next record. After this, display all students from the Maharashtra. So let us give that. It is very simple. So state is Maharashtra. So here let us go to that field. Very simple. Select star from stud to where state equal to Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Done, and then terminate it and execute this command. So here these are the students from Maharashtra. So I think it is clear. It was very simple. Display all students. Now list students grouped by section and find the average marks per section. So section wise average marks. Let us go again. There we have to list students group by section and find the average marks per section. So it is again very simple. It should be see all the records first, and now after this apply section wise average marks. Select section. Section is a field here. Yes, it is a section, and then you have to find out average and average marks, and from which table? Start to group by section, and you can put order by section so that you will see data in a proper order. Section spelling is wrong, group by is wrong. Now execute this command, so you will be able to see the output. So section A average marks is 85, section B 78, section C is 86. So I think this command was also not difficult, it was easy. So let us move ahead please. After this, let us move to next one. Now find the number of students with the highest attendance. So you have to find out maximum attendance. This is one. and then find the number of students. So here what you are having, number of students. So attendance is a key and number of students. So you have to take a count of students having highest attendance. So this you can do by two way, although it can be class wise, section wise, and class wise, section wise, or either you can take just a count for highest attendance, because nothing has been mentioned, neither class nor section nor anything else. So just you can go here and you can find out maximum attendance. I think just I will little change it. It's not like this. I'll remove this, count this attendance from this, and where attendance equal to select max attendance. Attendance from step 2. From step 2. So this function is returning me maximum attendance, and my attendance, if it is matching, then I am showing that attendance and I am taking a count of it. So I'll run this. And let's get out. So one student is having 99.50 is the highest attendance, and that is only one student. Attendance, okay, maximum attendance is 99.10, and that is only one student. So let us check out, please validate this command now. How many students are with attendance 99 point? So here you will have to read this again. You will have to go through all this and see 99.10. How many students are with 99.10 is the highest? How many students are there with that attendance? So please, I think this command is perfectly all right. And now this command is okay. And here only one student. You will have to, what you are doing, you are getting finding total number of students, and total number, you are counting students uh, with highest attendance. I have given here this, and I and actually what I have done in this, I have counted those students and showing, I am counting and showing maximum attendance from step 2, where attendance is equal to maximum attendance. Attendance is equal to maximum attendance. So if any student is having maximum attendance equal to maximum attendance, then I am counting, taking its count. And this is what I have understood from the question. Now show students who have test, who gave test 2 and are from class 9. So here we have to check out for the class test, that is one, and second for the class. So students, you have to give all the detail. So I'll write here select again star from step 2 and run this. We have got all these students. Again, let us go back to the question. Question number 10. Question number 11th. Show students who gave test 2 and are from class 9. So let us go back. Here we have to give a command. This time I'll give student name only. So student roll number and name from step 2 who appeared for where condition is class test who gave test 2 and and are from class 9. Class equal to 9. I think it's a numeric, so you can put it like this, numeric terminated. So here students show class test, please. So class test and class both, and run it. So here what we are trying to display, we are trying to display roll number, name, class test, class from stud2, where means who appeared for test 2 and are from class 9. So execute this and you will get the answer. Students are from class 9, they appeared in the class in the test 2, and students roll number is 4, 14 and 18. These are only 3, there are only 3 students. So you can check out, you can validate it. So go here and execute this. Validated test 2. Test 2 is 1 Isha Verma, right? Then test 2 again Arjun Nair, I think it's okay. Then third one is Karan Kapoor. Karan Kapoor is not in class 9th, where he is in class 12th. So he will not be there, please. Then class test 2 Sneha, she is from class 11th, so she'll also not come. Meera Iyer in class 9, so she'll come. And who next? Nikita Roy. Nikita Roy was there. I do not know. Nikita Roy is mathematics class 9 and appear for class test 2. So this is matching. Nikita Roy must be there and not this. Meera Iyer and 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 Isha Verma. So only 3 students are there, so that we got. I think our condition is absolutely correct. So now let us go ahead to the next question. Retrieve all the students from class 10th and subject is science. So very simple again. Retrieve all students from class 10th and subject is science. All the student class 10th and subject is science. Well, select again star means all the student from stud2 where condition is where class equal to 10, class is 10, and what was the next condition, and subject is science. And you will have to include both, please keep in mind. Subject equal to science, C as capital SCIENCE, science, and terminated. Then execute it, see the answer. So these are Rajiv Patel, Manav Joshi and Dev Patel. So these are 3 students there with the given roll number. Then let us move to next question, please. Sort students by marks in descending order. So now you have to list all the students, but their marks should be in descending order. Descending order. So go back again. Here you will issue another command. Select star from stud to group by, so not group by, nothing, order by marks, and marks should be in descending order, DESC. So descending means DESC. You can put only till DSC and see marks are in descending order. Yes, 95 highest, then 91, 92, 90, 89, absolutely correct, please. The marks are coming in descending order. So next is question number 14. List names, phone number of students who have mathematics as subject and attendance is 85. So subject equal to mathematics and attendance is greater than 85. You have to display their name and phone number. Display their name and phone number. Subject mathematics, attendance 85. So select name and phone number. Phone number. Check out please. Here phone number field is phone. Phone from stud2 and subject, whose subject is mathematics. Mathematics, M capital. Put it in single quotes. Mathematics and attendance A capital is written, although it is not a problem, but in literals you will have to take care. Attendance equal to, attendance is greater than, what was attendance? Greater than 85. Attendance is greater than 85. So terminate it and execute this command. So you have to, in this one, what you are doing, you are listing all the name and phone number from stud2 whose subject is mathematics and attendance is greater than equal to 85. So execute this command and see the output. What is wrong? From this I have did not give here where clause. So now re-execute this command, please. Re-execute and you will get the answer. So here name and phone number of those students whose attendance is more than 85. Here you can show the attendance as well, so that you will be very sure subject and attendance are also there. And execute this. Now you can see attendance is more than 85 and subject is mathematics. So this way it is making it very clear that your query is absolutely okay. Then count how many subjects, how many students are from each city. So now you have to count total number of students from each city. So give here again each city. So select city name, city, and then you have to take a count of students from stud2 to, and you have to group by, this time group by, because you are taking count. So group by city, you can put in order by city as well, order by city. So like this, here you are counting city wise total number of students and putting those in order. So just execute this, you will get a Ahmedabad is 2, Bangalore 1, Bhopal 1, like this. This is in order, please. A, B, C, no repetition at all. Keep it, just you can see here. So city wise total number of students you have seen. Now next comes out list students name and their house number. Oh, only house number. So here you will have to take care house number where is, that is I think in the address. So list students name and house number. So here you will have to think little extra. That is, just see all the record first. Select star from stud2 and terminate it. Execute. House number, where is house number? Name is here, this is one. House number, I think it is here. So you will have to go in address, and house number is, just check out please, house number is first 3 characters in each case. So what you will raise, you will have to raise a query like this. Select student name, house number. So you will take left house number means address, comma 3 from stud2 order by name, order by name, order by name. Just raise this query, I think you will get the answer. Seeing here house number, so you can give, this is, what is this, you are, it is not identifiable, so you can give house number here as house number. House number and raise it, raise the query, run the query again. So it has been executed. Now name and house number is there. Then after this, let us move to next one. Create a new table for each class. So now this is little different, please. So you have to create a table. So for one, I'll tell you how you can do this. Go here, create a table for each class. So select star from stud2 where class equal to, for each class. So I will do for one class right now, say class 10th. terminate, and now select star into class 10th. This table you have to create for each one, so I am creating it for class 10th, please. So select star into class 10 from step 2 where class equal 10. So this is my table name. So just execute this query, and this has been executed. 6 rows have been affected with that. So now select star from this table class 10. So you can see whether the class 10 students are there only. Yes, it is class 10 students only. So you can create it for others as well, please, for 8, 9, 6, 7, whatsoever you want. Then next, let us move to list student, roll number, name, class who have same name. It is you know same name. You can actually, this is a task of programming. So here what you will have to do, you can just list them simultaneously. That's the only thing you can do here. So how I'll put it like this here, I'll write here. First of all, let us see all the students in this stud 2, same name. I think, do we have same name? No, but no, it is not here. Isha Verma. But how I'll read this command? But the only thing what I can do, I can same name. Same name means here you can you have one option here, order by, order by, order by name. So you will have that those name will appear simultaneously. So this is one small way, but it is no none is here, so you will not get that order by name. So name, same name will appear, otherwise it's not. But otherwise what you will do, if you want to go with the same name, you will have to look out for the name. Please assume if I want to look out whether anyone is with the name Arjun Nair, so I'll have to give here where name equal to Arjun Nair. Arjun Nair. I'll just run this and see whether I'm going to get. Yes, only one is here, so no more. So if you are having, and if not, then you can you will not get anything. So now after this, I will do another one. Change all students' name in uppercase. So now you will have to use uppercase command. You will have to use uppercase command. So change all students name in uppercase. So go use again the same way. So here execute this. You have got all the students here. Now name whichever appearing there, you have to print them in uppercase. So select name in uppercase. So you will write here upper. You will have to write upper and then name from, I'll write roll number as well, please. Roll number and name. Name will be in upper name from in uppercase from stud 2, and then execute this, please. So you will get names in uppercase only. Seeing all the names have appeared in uppercase. All the names are in uppercase. Then after this, the last one is left. Deduct 5 marks of each student if their attendance is less than 90. Oh, you have to deduct. So first of all, again list all the records. Execute this, and I have got all the records. Now you have to deduct 5 marks for less attendance. So select star. This time I'll write roll number, name, and marks. This I have to deduct it. So now when you are deducting this marks, if you want to make changes in the same table, So you will have to raise a update query, and otherwise you can show it. If you want to just show it, then you will write it like this: name, roll number, name, and marks. Now marks less than marks, deduct 5 marks, marks minus 5 marks as marks. This is for the display purpose. From stud to where attendance, is less than 90. So if any student is having attendance less than 90, then his marks will be, now this one, his marks will be less than 5. So see here, Arun Mehta has got marks 88, but instead of 88 he will be getting 83. So let us see this, execute this and see. Oh, I think where attendance, okay, right, I think attendance is less than 90. Let us not give attendance, see all, for all the students. So this is query is correct and it's working. But now let us suppose it is for all, you will be able to just assess it quite quickly. So because I said Arun Mehta was that his marks will be 83 now, getting it is 83. So this way means it is working, the this command is perfectly working. And now where attendance is less than 90, so you can put attendance less than 90. That command was already working, and again I am re-executing this, and here you can re-execute it and see this. Attendance having less than 90 will are getting their marks less 5 marks. So here this is all about the 20 questions. So I hope you will learn much more from these queries, and thank you very much for seeing this piece.